I tried to install Linux on my PC and it turned out to be a big disaster for me because I lost a lot of time, and not only that, I had to reinstall Windows as well. So first, why did I even try to install Linux? Well, mainly for content, and the second reason is Windows 11 is slowing down my PC so much that I couldn't edit or record with my browser open in the background. And that was a big issue because I need my browser to look for images or using for inspiration or other stuff while editing, and that's when I know that Windows 11 was not for me. So I was really hoping to either switch to Linux or go back to Windows 10. So I started searching for all the Linux distros and I came across 3 distros which looked reasonably okay to try to see if I can get my softwares and other things working. So the first one was Pop OS. Well, since I have a NVIDIA GPU, I focused on that. So the first one was Pop OS and I put the ISO in the USB with Ventoy and it did not work at all. I just got a black screen. It didn't even boot. So, and after trying that, I tried Nobara and that didn't work either. I got the same thing, a black screen with integrated graphics as well. So 2 Linux distros already failed on me. And it's been 2 days already trying these distros out, and after that I finally tried Linux Mint, which worked.
Great success!
I got into the live environment after some restarts, which was really good. I enjoyed the partition system, which took amazingly, frustratingly long time. As you can see, at that I didn't even touch my Windows SSD, but somehow that still corrupted my Windows boot manager. Not only that, it was not recoverable, and Linux also did not boot, which was horrible because I just spent 2.5 days just installing Windows and the system did not boot. And it's probably because of my NVIDIA GPU. Now that I have given up, I had to reinstall Windows 10 because that took another 2 days, so it's been 4 days. And yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, I guess. Thanks for watching me suffer for the past week.